Meaning of Karl Marx.
Karl Marx.
Karl Marx.
Karl Marx.
Karl Marx. Karl Marx, 1818–1883, was a German philosopher, economist, and political theorist who was most famous for his ideas about communism and the concept of class struggle. He is regarded as the founder of the Marxist school of thought, which views capitalism as a system that exploits the working classes and creates inequality. Marx believed that socialism, where the means of production are owned by the workers, was the necessary transitional phase between capitalism and communism, where all people would be equal and share in the ownership of resources. His works, such as The Communist Manifesto and Das Kapital, have had a profound influence on modern political theory and inspired numerous revolutions and social movements around the world.